All right, the last question was, could this new population adapt to the drought that shortened the wet season to 25 days? Why or why not? So remember, here's the wet season. Would the new population be able to adapt so that way they're flowering prior to 25 days? Of course not. And the reason why is, look at these plants that survived prior to the wet season. So these are the ones right here. How many of them were flowering by day 25? None of them. None of them were flowering at day 25. Remember, plants need to flower in order to reproduce. So none of them are able to flower by day 25. They could not adapt. No plant in the population has a trait of flowering by day 25, so no plants would be able to successfully reproduce. Since there are no reproduction, they cannot produce offspring to adapt to the changed environment. So there are limitations.